Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is another personal finance video for education purposes, and there are many more Investment 101 videos to come in the upcoming weeks. Today we will have a look at the animated graph of the growth of a portfolio with an initial $10,000 investment over a time frame of 40 years. Only a 0.1% annual return rate is being assumed. Such a minuscule average profit is the typical interest rate major banks offer on their checking and even on their savings accounts. As in all my previous videos regarding this topic, a constant return rate, no taxes, and zero volatility were being used for the calculation of the future value, simply to reduce the complexity of this example. To make this simulation more realistic, an average inflation rate of 3% is used to account for the loss of value of a dollar over a long period of time. The animated chart clearly shows a significant loss of buying power of your initial savings, possibly faster than your actual savings rate. This shows how bad of a deal a savings account is and that you should never park excess money on it. Use your checking and savings account to cover your monthly expenses and for an emergency fund for a time frame of 3 to 6 months. The rest needs to be invested in one way or another to avoid losing too much money due to inflation. I hope you learned something in this video, and I'm sure you will like my future uploads too. It would help me out massively if you would like and subscribe. That being said, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day and take care.